Do you still make boring buns in this year 2026? Then this video is for you. If yes, come let me show you how to make this creamy coconut buns. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I say welcome, and if you've been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing. So let's get started. So get your dry bowl, get your bowl of flour, get your measuring cup, and then get your sieve. I always say sieve your flour because of particles that are inside, and also when you want to measure your flour, always level it so you get the accurate measurement whenever you are using flour to work. So you keep sieving your flour until you are done. Then when that is done, you now get in your salt and add into the bowl. Stir it so that you don't mix the yeast with it so it doesn't kill the yeast. After that, you now add in sugar, add in baking powder, and you now add in the yeast. You now combine everything together like so, and when that is done, you now get in your warm milk. You can use water for this, and you can also use powdered milk for this. You now stir very well. We are making creamy coconut bun, so blend your coconut and pour it into the bowl with the milk in it and combine very well. Get in some condensed milk because you want it to be so creamy and so delicious. You now combine after that, and you now get in your coconut oil because we want that coconut flavor in our coconut buns. Yeah, so you now add in your egg, and after that you now combine once more. I had to drop the spatula to use my hand after washing. This is where the work is. You have to combine very well because you don't want it to be too runny. Now you begin to add in your warm water gently. Don't add it at once because we don't want to mess up with the measurement. Just keep mixing like so until you get that consistency that you want. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that red button. It doesn't bite. Subscribe to my channel, keep liking and keep sharing. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to know. So just keep mixing like this and see how it is looking at this point. It's becoming so stretchy. Keep mixing like so, guys, because we want this our bun to be so delicious and so sweet, crunchy outside and creamy inside. So just keep mixing like so, and when you are done, just scrape the body of it and pack everything together and cover with a cling film because we want it to rest a bit and to double up in size a bit. So leave it for like 1 hour in the warmest place in your kitchen. So after 1 hour, this is what we have. It has doubled in size a bit. So take out the cling film and then now begin to rub again because we want to take out the air. Heat it at the body of the bowl because we want to get a good consistency. Keep working. Now you now pack it like so, and then now fold your hand and drop into the oil. This is how you drop it into the oil, but I tell you, any way that works for you better, use that way to drop it into the oil. At this point the oil should be getting hot, so begin to drop it into the oil like so. You see, I am just cutting mine in a bigger balls. You can also cut yours in smaller balls like this. So do not allow the oil to be too hot. Let it just be on medium heat. If it is too hot, your buns will be cooked outside and the inside won't be cooked. So just begin to cut them in and see how it is looking like this here. You fry until they are golden brown, and you keep stirring them because you want all the sides to be cooked. In and out should be cooked. So keep frying like this and keep stirring like this. At this point they are golden brown. See how our buns is looking. You now bring them out when they are like this and place them in a paper towel to take out the excess oil, then allow it to cool. So guys, after frying, this is what we have. You see how it is looking. It is looking crunchy outside and chewy inside. Guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, I say thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.